It's Financial Fam. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will do category binder updates and cash stuffing for the month of June 2023. Here, I have my blue notebook. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 binders. So one is for must-have funds, giving funds, personal funds, long-term funds, annual sinking funds, and then sinking funds. So lately guys, hindi ako nakakapag-upload ng cash stuffing videos because ang dami kong ginagawa. And actually, naka-leave ako ng 1 month starting June 15 to July 15. So ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-video kasi medyo maluwag yung schedule ko. So without further ado, let's go to my binders. This is my first binder. So some of my binder medyo na bago-bago lang yung mga categories niya inside. So ito na yung final na setup ko starting June. So first is must have funds. So this one I have emergency funds. So yung emergency funds ko usually bank transfer ko naman siya or deposit slip. So it depends naman kung ano yung mas easy way. Next is my medical fund. So ito din, binago ko din yung ano niya guys, label kasi lately I'm into yellow. So later on sabihin ko bakit. And then next is my calamity fund. So this category then is monthly. Nagde-deposit ako ng funds dito sa aking AUB passbook. Pero I'm thinking guys kung ipo-pull out ko na ba yung funds dito kasi nakita ko since parang second year ko na nagde-deposit dito. So meron na siyang 24,000 pero ni piso wala siyang interest. So I'm thinking pa kung ililipat ko siya sa mga mas mataas ang interest. Diba may mga online bank na mataas yung interest. Pero I will let you know guys if ever makapag-decide na ako kung aalisin ko ba siya dito. And then dental funds. So yung dental funds guys, I decided na ilagay na siya sa GoTime kong account para nag-accumulate siya ng funds. So for now, for this June, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 500. Since nag-reset ako din ng mga funds guys. So starting June ko yung mga nakalagay na amount dito, and then yung before, yung mga natira dito is nakalagay na sa bank. And then for my travel funds guys, sa Metrobank ATM. So online ko din siya pala tina-transfer. So yeah, I have 33,000 na siya. And then ito yung additional category for this binder is investment fund. So sa investment funds guys, baka I'm not sure pa kung pero mostly pag investment funds gusto ko siya ilagay for additional property. So this is my first binder, my must have funds binder. Next is my giving funds binder. So for this category guys, I have tithes funds. So for my regular income monthly, I will set aside 10% of my salary to tithes. And then event funds. So as you can see guys, wala siyang funds ngayon kasi sunod-sunod yung event ng June. And then we went to La Union then for my brother-in-law wedding. And then generosity funds, yan, wala din siya. Kasi lately, madaming mga nagkakasakit, may mga namamatay. So, naubos yung generosity funds ko. And then, next is province vacay. So, since umuwi nga kami sa province ng husband ko, so, yung mostly yung funds for this category, nagamit namin. Yun, kasi 4 days kami doon from Thursday to Sunday. And then, nag-side trip. Yung pauwi na pabalik na kami ng Manila, nag-side trip kami sa hometown ko naman. So, sorry for the noise. And then, for extra funds, so naglagay din ako ng additional category dito na extra funds. So, dito, pag kinulang yung mga categories ko, so, naglagay din ako ng extra funds na category. And then, expenses funds. So, kung yung mga expenses naman namin ay nagkulang, so, naglagay ako ng parang buffer funds dito. Yan. That's all for my giving funds. Next is personal funds. So, for this personal funds, so, sineparate ko na rin yung binder ko, guys. First, I have me funds. So, for this me funds, I set aside monthly amount for this. So, din-deposit ko siya dito sa PCS Bank na passbook ko. And then, I have this retirement funds category. And for my retirement funds, I decided, guys, na ikuha na lang siya ng VUL plan sa Pro-Life na merong interest, kasi naisip ko ang liit ng interest sa bank kung sa bank ko lang siya isi-save, since matagal pa naman bago ako mag-retire. So, kumuha na lang ako ng VUL plans para doon i-save yung monthly na sinisave ko dito for retirement funds. And then next is allowance. This category naman, guys, since back to office na kami and 4 days work na kami sa office ngayon. So, for the month of July, pagbalik ko, I set aside 200 pesos per day sa aking allowance. So, as allowance ko. And then, self-care funds. For my self-care funds, I set aside 500 per month. So, I try to limit my mga other expenses for self-care. So, usually, yung self-care fund ko naman, ginagamit ko lang to pag magpapanil, polish, haircut, salon, ganyan. So, dito ko siya kunin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 400, and 500. So, for the June, I set aside 500 pesos. And then, next is for my vitamins or medicine. So, usually, yung vitamins ko, guys, binibili ko siya sa healthy option, yung malaking bottle na. So, matagal ko siya bago maubos. Pero, para meron tayong extra fund, so I set aside for this June 500 also. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 200, 300, 400, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. So, here, for the month of June, 500 pesos. Next is for gala funds. So, for this category naman, guys, before na-mention ko yata sa video ko na since yung baby ko, lumalaki na siya. So, and my work day is Monday to Thursday na. So, I set aside funds para maigala namin siya at least once a week. para makalabas naman ng bahay nang hindi puro sa bahay kasi wala siyang kalaro. So, parang naiinip na siya. So, I set aside 500 also for the month of June. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, hindi namin to nagamit ngayong month of June, guys, kasi since umuwi kami ng La Union, so hindi naman siya na. So, extra funds niya. So, next guys is long-term funds. So, for this long-term funds naman guys, I set aside business funds. So, for my business funds, so, I'm planning to have a business later on. Pag nag-retire na ako, gusto ko mag-retire ng business dun sa province namin. So, I set aside 1,000 pesos per month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, yung existing funds dito before guys, nasa checking account siya sa BPI ko. So, yan. For this June, 1,000. And for farmhouse and or retirement house. So, plan ko kasi guys, if ever mag-retire man ako sa work, gusto ko sa province namin. So, wala pa, I have lote na there, but wala pang house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yun, mag-start ako ulit ng farmhouse retirement funds, 500 per month. So, may mga nabago sa categories ko guys. And then, house renovation funds. For this house renovation funds naman guys, plan ko kasi after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pag matapos na tong bahay namin, guys, dito sa Manila, I'm planning to renovate. Din kasi magkaroon ng third floor dito sa house namin para meron akong guest room or recreational room. So, bahala na. Basta, I need to start savings for my house renovation funds here. And then, for my car funds, so, sa previous video ko, guys, sinabi ko doon yung first long ride with Lemon. So, yes, guys, finally, I bought my first ever car, my yellow car, and ang name niya guys is Lemon. So yeah, these funds dinedebit to kasi sa aking savings account. So ayun. So pero meron pa rin siya ditong binders para hindi ko nakakalimutan na meron akong expenses that monthly. And then, I have this car maintenance. So, for car maintenance, if ever magpapa-change oil, something like that. So, ayun. I set aside 500 pesos for this category. Yan. Sorry guys, kasi maraming aso dun sa kapitbahay namin. So, pag may narinig kayong mga tahol-tahol ng aso or what, pagpasensyahan nyo na lang. And then, my Carabao funds. So, for this Carabao funds naman, guys, usually, na-mention ko na before na ginagamit ko yung funds na to pang bili ng mga need nung kalabaw, like mga tali, ganun. Minsan, pang bigay din dun sa nag-aalaga. So far, I have 3 Carabaos na, supposedly 4 na yun, pero nabenta na yung, benta namin yung isa before, yung maliit pa lang. And yan, that's my long-term funds binder. And then next is my annual sinking funds binder. So for this category guys, I have association dues. So starting May guys, nag-increase na nga sila from 150 to 200 per month na association dues. But for this year, nabayaran ko na siya in advance. So, pero starting May kasi to December, may additional 50 pesos for 200 pesos. Since 150 hanggang December lang na paid ko. So, 400 pesos is for additional sa payment ng association dues namin. Next guys is our house MRI. 750 per month. So, for this June, I have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lang ba? Ay, yeah. Nakapagbayad na pala ako ng ano namin guys, ng MRI namin for this year. So, I'm working for 2024 funds na. So, I have 890 here. So, leftover for the insurance. Last, June 23 ko siya binayaran. Pero usually, nag-e-end kasi yung coverage nun until July 30. Pero in advance, since na may ano na sa akin, update. So, in advance ko na siya. So, may natira tayong 890. Next, guys, is property tax. So, this one din, since yung 2023 na pay na namin last year pa. So, I'm working also for 2024 na pambayad. So, for this June, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I set aside 500 pesos for the month. And then next is fire insurance. Fire insurance guys is same then. June 23 nakapag-pay na rin ako. So we have 189 na leftover. So since ayoko nang may mga baya-baya dito, ginawa ko na lang siyang 200. So 1, 2, 200. So, 2,200 yung ating leftover funds dito, guys. So, I'm working again for 2024 na 2024 na payment. So, 3,310 lang naman siya, guys. Hindi siya nagbago. Last year, ganun din yung binayaran ko. And then for tax payment, for PTR, Cedula, usually January to. So, I have 2,055. Kasama na yung ngayon. Ito yung 500 for the month of June. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yun. I have this. And then for accountant fee, 350 for the month of June also. 1, 2, 3, 50. Okay, so that's all for my annual sinking funds. And lastly, my sinking funds binder. So for this category naman is for gasol funds. For last June 22 guys, nagpa-refill na kami ng gas. So 850 siya. So meron tayong natirang 950 as of June. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 950. So, diba? Ang sobrang easy talaga guys pagka meron kang na-set aside na funds pag naubusan ka ng mga ganitong category. And then for my appliances funds guys, dito naman guys, dapat I have 3,693. Pero since nagpalit kami ng filter ng tubig guys, so ito na lang yung natira for the month of June. 1, 2, 3, 4, 535. Pero ayan, ginawa ko na lang 540 para wala tayong mga butal-butal. And then next is repair and maintenance. Ayan. So for our repair and maintenance, supposedly guys, dapat meron na akong 8,500 for this category. Pero last Holy Week guys, nung umuwi kami sa province for 10 days, 7 or 10 days, in-off namin yung safety box namin. And pagbalik namin guys, yung ref namin for 2 days gumana siya, and then after nun hindi na siya lumalamig, hanggang hindi na rin lumamig yung sa taas sa freezer niya. And then ayun, pina-check ko siya guys sa Condura, sa customer service ng Condura, and then nagpapunta sila ng technician dito, chinek yung kung may leak ba or kung ano nangyari dun sa ano, bakit bilang hindi na lumalamig. And then ayun, ang findings ng technician guys, hindi daw pala pag ang ref ay inverter, hindi daw dapat siya pinapatay ng more than 24 hours kasi ang tawag doon, ano siya, as since matipid na siya sa kuryente, dapat hindi siya pinapatay kasi doon daw nagkakaroon ng mga leak, ganun. So in short guys, nasira yung ref namin dahil dun sa pagpatay namin ng matagal. And then binigyan ako ng quotation nung Condura kung how much yung repair, ganyan, and then pinick up nila yung ref dito and binalik din. So ang cost ng repair niya guys is 5,000 plus yung before, yung technician na nag-check nung ref na 500 yung service fee, and then nagbigay ako ng 200 for tip. Yun. So kaya ang natira na lang sa ating repair and maintenance funds is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So ayan, 800 na lang, diba? Actually guys, hindi ko kasi alam na ganun pala yung mga rep pagka inverter. Kailangan daw na sindi lang siya. At least less than 24 hours lang kung magde-defrost or what, pero hindi siya pwedeng totally na days or weeks na nakapatay. And then ayun, so sayang, pero kaysa naman bumili ng bago, so mas better na ipa-repair na lang. So far naman ngayon guys, okay na yung ref namin, naibalik na at nakahabol din siya bago mag-birthday yung baby ko. So next is Christmas funds. So for my Christmas funds guys, usually 500 per month ang ating sineset aside. So here I have for month of June 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 500 for the month of June. Next is tech fund. So for tech fund, sa tech fund din guys, may mga binili ako na like yung car keychain ko, dito ko binawas sa tech fund kasi hindi naman siya nagagalaw, and then need ko din naman yung so dito na lang. And then yung case, phone case, dito ko na binawas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 515 dapat, so 520 yung natitirang funds dito, 520. Next is my bills 1 month advance. So ang goal kong funds dito guys is 10k for 1 month, pero yung funds na to nasa go time ko din. Baka lang ako ng dito, screenshot ng funds. So tingnan nyo guys, for January to June, ang na-save ko sa Maynilad is 1,649.29. So this category kasi I set aside 500. I budgeted 500 per month. So total guys, from January to June, may 1,649.29 na ako. So I set aside yung mga leftover amount para mabuo ko yung 10k na goal. And then for my Globe and Netflix plan guys, for the month of January to June, I have 918 na din na savings. And then for Meralco, I have 5,286.83. Sobrang laki ng ano namin guys, ng aming, sorry sa aso, na save sa guys nung wala kaming ref. So ayan, as of June meron na akong savings na 5,286.83. Working for my 1 month advance, or actually hanggang ano nga to at least 6 months advance yung goal ko na makasave based dun sa bills, since nag-set aside naman ako ng amount. So yung mga leftover dun iniipon ko. And then yun guys, so that's all for the 6 binders guys. So recap lang natin, I have sinking funds, annual sinking funds, long-term funds, I have my personal funds binder, my giving funds, and my must-have funds. So yeah, that's all guys. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and click nyo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga uploaded videos. And please stay safe. God bless. Bye everyone.